In this video, I will show you how to get a Surfshark VPN code. First, open the Surfshark website on the browser of your computer. Go to the New tab and search for the Surfshark coupon code. It will show you different websites after searching. Click on the one that shows the best VPN coupon codes out there on the Surfshark website. Here, it will show you that you can get 80% off for a limited time. Scroll down and you will see why Surfshark is the best choice for VPN coupons. It is because it offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can get unlimited simultaneous connections and blazing connection speeds. It also shows you the steps to choose the best VPN coupon. Choose a VPN that fits your needs the best. Check if the VPN provider offers valid VPN coupon codes. Look for the best quality to service quality time. After that, it will also show methods to apply VPN codes. Now go back to the Surfshark website and compare VPN plans and pricing. In the 24-month plan, Surfshark starters can start from $239 per month plus 1 month free. Surfshark One will pay $3.06 plus 1 month free. Surfshark One Plus will pay $4.69 plus 1 month free. In the 12-month plan, Surfshark starters will pay $3.22 per month plus 1 month free. Surfshark One will pay $3.77 plus 1 month free. Surfshark One Plus will pay $5.99 plus 1 month free. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Surfshark. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.